In this video we're going to demonstrate how to replace the Gravis main control module. First thing we need to do is unzip the back of the pad set. And then we can flip those side panels around to the front of the chair out of our way. Next, we need to disconnect the cable coming from the main control module that runs to the battery backup system, and then lift the battery backup system up and out of the bracket. We just need to move that out of the way so that we can remove the main control module. Okay, we'll continue on to disconnect all of the connectors to the main control module, and you don't need to worry about which one goes where because they're all graphically coded. So you'll have no difficulty plugging back into the new control module. And you can then lift the control module up and out of its bracket. Next, we're going to disconnect the power cable from the corresponding cable coming from the chair. And then use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screw that secures the cable guide. We need to loosen it enough to be able to pull the power cable through the guide. Okay, it's as simple as that. To install the new control module then, let's first slide it onto the mounting bracket to hold it in position. And then we can feed that power cable through the cable guide, pulling it all the way through so there's no slack. And re-securing that screw that holds the cable guide. Next, we're ready to start connecting all the cables to the main control module. But before we do that, note along each connector that there's a notch. And then you'll note there's a notch on the corresponding receptacle on the main control module. So it's important that you align those two notches before seating the connector. So simply repeat that for all the connectors, matching the graphics on the connector with the graphic on the main control module. And next we're ready to put the battery backup system back in place on the mounting bracket there. And then use the remaining short cable to connect the battery backup to the main control module. Okay, then we can close the backrest pad zipper. And we're done.